Hi guys, so today we are doing photo walk number 7 along Clarke Quay area. So basically this area is Clarke Quay. It has a lot of different boat side areas and cafes at the night. One of the hottest night spots in Singapore. But we're going to explore during the day and see what kind of sites we can have a look over here. So today I'll be shooting my A6400. My video might go. Let's see how this setup goes and leave down in the comments below if you find a difference in the quality. If not, let's follow me and explore this place. So guys, just now we basically passed by all the shops that are over here. So they have different cafes and restaurants that sell seafood. Hi guys, so I hope you guys like this episode of the photo walk around Clarke Quay and my first test on my A6400. So some of the clips have been shot with the inbuilt mic and some of them have been shot with my Rode Video Mic Go. Please leave down in the comments below if you notice the difference and which one you will be preferring. I will hope to bring you guys for more photo walks and I'll see you guys in the next one.